Today is not a successful day in search as far as finding or looking for a bee colony is concerned, and not quite successful day, and not find anything. In the past, there were a lot of bee colonies in this area, but nowadays it's tough to find bee colonies in this area. Very unfortunate. And however, you see, these are big rocks you can find inside the thickets in the wild, and being alone inside this wild is absolutely fantastic. And I always go alone because that's how I entertain myself. And so thank you for watching.